Going for the sharpener. We about to cut this bitch. There he goes. Yeah, I'm videoing this one. I got it zoomed in this time. Look at this goat balls or sheep balls. Yeah. Oh. Stomach. Intestines. Oh, there's steam coming out. Oh, shit. Oh, yeah. Oh, I ain't sticking my face in that hole. Oh, he cut his nut off. Yeah. Oh, he's putting it in the trunk of a car. These fucking shitbags. Look at this shit. He's picking. Get the fuck out of here. This bitch putting dead sheep in a car. You gotta be shitting me. And these bitches are fresh. What the fuck? Finished cutting his balls off. Oh, he hit his nut. Oh, shit. Oh, there's his heart. That was badass, huh? Uh-oh, there's another one. He's getting him another one.